Hello dear subscribers, today I will tell you how can I get my old call history on iPhone. So actually if you want to find some call which you can't find in your call history list, so you can also do like this. You need to know that actually iPhone saved 1000 calls, but you just see 100. So if you just delete some of newer calls, so it just show you previous calls from this 1000. So you can also just delete newest, but not all. Just not choose delete all, just choose a specific newest calls, and you will see that you will see new calls from under. You will see older calls that will appear on your screen. So this is a way how you can also do it. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like and bye.